tell me what you think. What did you think of the defense open and then, of course, the state's first witness, the victim's dad?
I have to admit, initially I was skeptical about the defense opening, but as I listened, and by the time he finished, he definitely had me. I think, at least through his opening, he had established reasonable doubt. You don't see that every day. A lot of times, defense counsel, in the opening, they just give you an overview of the what the evidence is going to show. But he was sneaking in some argument here. And by the end, I mean, there was enough there, even before we started a trial, to think, you know what, maybe he's not the one that did it. Maybe he had Asperger's syndrome, and people who have Asperger's, usually it's very well known that they obsessively focus on things. And it kind of makes sense. It doesn't necessarily mean he did it, but he just was focusing on this and other true crime type stories. And there was another person who was a lot more likely to have done this, had more access to her, was more familiar to her, and I thought it was a powerful way to do his opening. But we'll see. And now we've got the father on the stand, and he comes across as very genuine, and the prosecution is meticulously going through the evidence and setting up the stage for the trial.